So hey guys, welcome to another video and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple Google form to collect data or whatever contacts you want to get for your business. So for example, you run an organization or you run a business and you want to get contacts of people coming for your organization, coming for your events, or maybe contacts of customers who are buying from your events, from your business rather. I don't know why I'm saying event from your business, or maybe you have a business and you want to take the data, the names, email addresses, phone number, location, and all of those stuff of your customer for your business. This is a right video for you on how to create a simple Google form. And again, you can also use Google form to just, get whatever thing you want to get from people patronizing you from your business. You can just stylize your questions and make it customize them to your taste and then get details of your customer. So let's dive right into the video. Now, this is how to do it. First of all, head on to this website called forms.google forms.google.com. Forms.google.com. You press enter and it's going to take you straight up to the website. As you can see here, we have to start a new form. You have the blank form, you have the contact information, RSVP, party invite. Now, all of these ones here, this party invite, t-shirts, RSVP, all these ones are like customized forms for you. Google has made it very easy for you to get the customized forms and just fill in the details you want to fill. But on this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a blank form from scratch to finish, how to add a header picture, just everything from scratch to finish. So you actually have an idea on how to create a Google form. So whenever you're asked on how to create a Google form or can you create a Google form, then this video will be your solution. So let's dive right in. So first of all, you click on the blank form. After clicking on the blank form, it's going to open up this for you. So you can see it's just a whole new space with no question, nothing written on it. So at first, the first thing you want to do for every Google form is to put in your header image. For me, this is the first thing I usually like doing. I don't know about other people or others. Well, firstly, I like adding, a very big header image in front of my Google form so people will know my organization or what I offer, or maybe the name of my organization, just like that. So for this Google form, I just want to create a simple Google form that will be collecting contacts of individuals who want to do a one-on-one consultation section with my farm. So for instance, maybe I own a farm and my farm runs consultancy for different clients that want to know more about agriculture, or maybe they just want to know what solution to the problem happening in their farms, maybe if their plants are sick or something like that. That's what the consultation is just all about. So I just want to create a Google form where I can get the contacts, get the problem or the question they actually want to ask, and also schedule a date for the consultation for this my client. So first of all, let's start with that. So first of all, you have to have an understanding of the form you want to create. Secondly, you have to have the laydown of questions that you want to ask your client. So over here, I have the questions here. Okay, I think I can just create something from my head roughly and let's get this going. So firstly, I want to add a header image. So you can see this is the point where you put in all of your questions. And mind you, this is just the back end of the Google form. So for those who haven't seen the back end of a Google form before, this is what the back end of a Google form looks like. So first of all, I'm going to upload a header image to actually show, to make it unique, to make it look official. Because again, depending on how professional your Google form looks speaks a lot about your brand. So first I'm going to upload a header. So for us to upload a header image here, all you have to do is head on to this color palette icon here, click on it, and then you're going to see different things here. You're going to see text, header, question, text, and another header that has choose image. So what you have to do here is click on to choose image and then select upload, and it's going to tell you to drag a file here. So you can either drag or you click on browse. So I'm going to choose the image I want to use as my header. So I think let me scroll down a bit. Okay, so I'm going to use this as my header. You select it and it's going to upload in less than no time. Then this is the point you have to crop it, because this is more like a website kind of header. It's not going to take in the whole picture in. And what I just actually want here is to show just my logo and the name of the organization. So I'm going to take it up a bit. Okay, I think like this is okay. Okay, I think this is fine. Then click on done. So you might also have a header image that has this the measurement of this. Maybe I'm going to drop it in the description so you actually know the header size, so you can create maybe a logo or a header image that has this width and this height. So I think it's fine this way. I'm going to close down this panel. So the title of the form, you have to, like I said, you have to first of all plan what you want to, the questions you want to ask, and what's the essence of your Google form. So here I want to collect, like I said, I want to collect data for consultation from my, my clients for consultation. I want to know more about the farm, know more about agriculture rather, and, get to ask questions to boost their knowledge in agriculture and also get solutions for their own problems in their own various farms. So I'm going to name this consultation. Oh, I'm going to name this farm. Sorry, I'm going to name this. Um, let's name this farm consultation. So depending on what your form is, you can give it a title, whatever title you want to give it. So I'm going to name this farm consultation. So you're already seeing the logo here. So I think it would be okay for you to put it as farm consultation. I wanted to put it as erudite agricultural farm consultation, but I just think farm consultation is okay since we already have a header image here depicting the name of the organization. So you can leave it this way and then make it bold. So you highlight this first of all, and you can see the bold icon, you can see the italics, you can see underline, you can see insert link, you can see remove formatting. So the bold icon is just to make our text bold, just like so. So you can see the text is bold here. I can take it off by highlighting first of all. Highlight first of all, and then click on the bold. It's going to go off. So first of all, before you effect any change on any text, you have to first of all highlight the text. If I want to make it an italics, I'm going to click on this and to change like so. I want to underline the text, I'm going to underline it and to change like so. I want to insert the link, maybe like a WhatsApp link or something link that can, take the viewers somewhere else, and you can actually insert a link here. Then if you want to remove all the formatting on your text, you just click on this, remove formatting, and it's going to bring back your text to normal. So the aim of this is just to make this bold, make this a header. So farm consultation, and what will be our description? So the description will just be schedule a consultation session with us today. So I'm just doing this out of my own initiative. You can name yours anything you want to name it, depending on what your Google form is all about. So let's schedule a consultation session with us today. So I'm going to make this bold a bit. So down to the question. So the next part we'll be going to is the question aspect. So the first question that will be on the list for a consultation session is, first of all, we have to get their email and their full names. So the first question will be email. So you just tap on that. And now over here we have different options. Here we have, if you click on this drop down menu that has multiple choice, you're going to see different answers that you can pick from. So you have what we call short answers, we have paragraph, we have multi-choice, we have checkboxes, drop down, and all of that. So the short answer here is, if I click on it, you watch here, it's going to change to a line whereby people can easily input details, but the answers has a limited number of characters, a limited number of text that you can input on the short answer, which is perfect for what we are actually going for. I think email shouldn't be more than 20 letters or so. So the short answer is actually perfect choice of answer for this particular question. Now, if you put in another question, you can choose paragraph. Paragraph actually means a longer answer. For example, if I should change this to address, then I think we'll need this paragraph because human addresses are very long to input on the screen. So we can choose paragraph and we won't choose short answers. For instance, another one, if you have multiple choice, for instance, if I want to say um, um, let's say let's say do you have a physical um, physical farm? Okay, physical farm, you can put this option yes, and the second option you click here and you click no. So people who are filling the form can either choose yes or maybe choose no. So that's for physical multiple choice questions. So if I wanted to put check boxes, the same thing also. So for check boxes, it's still the same thing. You can just put yes. It's more like a yes or no answer or no. So they can either tick on any of the boxes to answer this particular question. Then for the drop down, the drop down is more like this, but in case you have, for example, you have a question like let's say which of the following, right? Yes, okay. Which of the following consultation session would you participate in? Right? Which of the following consultation session would they be willing to participate in? So the drop down menu can have maybe we'll do Monday consultation session, consultation, Thursday, Wednesday consultation, consultation session, and Wednesday consultation, and maybe Friday is also Friday consultation. So what this actually does is that once sorry about that. What this actually does is that once they click on this particular question, they're going to see a drop-down menu where they can either select Monday consultation, Wednesday consultation, or Friday consultation. So that's the essence of this drop-down answer option here. So I believe you actually understand that. So let's create the form so you actually see how all of these things work. Let's create the form from scratch so you see how all of these things work. So let's start from the first question, which is for regular consultation Google form. First of all, have an email. So for an email, I think the best answer will be short answer. So you can input your email here. This is just the back end. You won't actually see how the form looks like, but probably when I then switch to the front end of this Google form, then probably you're going to see how it looks like. So first of all, email. The second is their full name. So full name here. So full name, the best is short. So you can see it's already giving us the option of a short answer for our clients to put in because it just reads the question. This is Google, so it just reads the question and then interprets how the answer would look like. So the next will be name of farm establishment. So name of your farm establishment. So oops. Okay. Establishment. Right. So the name of the farm establishment can also be a short answer also. Then the next would be where is your farm located? Okay. Where is your farm located? Now this wouldn't be a short answer, it has to be a paragraph because different addresses have a longer text or longer characters to input. So we'll do this as paragraph. Then the next question will be, would you like a video consultation via Zoom? Okay, so here's the question. Would you like a video consultation via Zoom call, right? So I think we have to make this official. Add question mark at the end of every question. Okay. So this is actually a yes or no answer. So I think we'll select check boxes instead of multiple choice. But you can do multiple choice, but I think check boxes is fine. So for the first checkbox, it will be yes, and the second checkbox will be a no. So they can either select yes or select a no for the Zoom consultation via the video consultation via Zoom. Then for you to add another question bar, you click on this plus icon here, add another question bar, and the next question will be, would you like an audio consultation via WhatsApp call? Now there might be some people who wouldn't want to use a video consultation, rather they will prefer an audio consultation. So just for those who like an audio consultation. So would you like to have an audio consultation via WhatsApp call? Okay, via WhatsApp call, right? Via WhatsApp call. Yeah, via WhatsApp call. So sorry. So would you like to have an audio consultation via WhatsApp call? So this is also a checkbox question. Yes or a no. So after this question, we're going to add. So firstly, before we continue, I just want to show you this. So each of these questions are actually very, very important and they are of priority. So we must actually make this required. If you don't turn this icon up, this required button on, it means this question is actually optional. So we don't want to make these questions optional. You know, when you're filling Google form, most of the times you see some questions that are optional and you see some questions that are compulsory. If you don't fill them, you can't go ahead or you can't submit the form. So that's what this button does here. So it makes it required. You click on required. Full name is also important. So you click on required. You turn it on. The name of your farm establishment is also important. It's not optional. It's not an optional question. So you turn it on. Where is your farm located is also an important question. It's not an optional question. So this also is required. And this also is required. So you can select no for the first one and then yes for the second one. Or you can select yes for the first one and then no for the second one. So you have to add the next question box. So the next question would be, okay, so kindly send in a non-refundable payment of 50,000 naira for your consultation section to the number below. Okay, let's do this then. So I'm going to paste this question here because I already have them. So you can create your own from scratch. It will be more better if you have them written down somewhere. So kindly send in a non-refundable payment of 50,000 naira to the account below for your session. So here's the account details. So here's the account details. Okay, so we have this, we have the account number, we have the bank, we have the account name. So let's do this. Type limited. So firstly, there are some questions we want to make. There are some things in here that we want to make, actually want to make bold, so people can be able to see this, to see them. So first of all, kindly send in a non-refundable payment of 50,000 naira to this account. Okay, 50,000 naira to this account. So I think from this point, non-refundable payment of 50,000 naira should be bold. So people can be, your viewers can be able to know that this question right here, this money right here is non-refundable. So I have to highlight this, then make it bold. I don't know why this is going off. So make this bold. Okay, so it's bold now. Then to the account number below for your session. So here's the account details. So I'm going to make all of this here bold so they can properly see the account details for payment. So here's the account details, account number, bank name, account name, and all of that. So we have all of this board so people can be able to see that this is a non-refundable payment, and we have the account details, the bank, and the account name here also. So for this will actually be Okay, then we have the last part which says upload receipts. Upload receipts below. Upload receipt below. So for this question is not going to be a short answer question. Of course, we have to see the proof of payment from your client. So you have to click on this and then click on file upload. You click on file upload, and then we have this icon here, this reminder here. These files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign into Google when file upload questions are added to a form. Please only share this form with people you trust. So what they actually said is that whatever receipt that's going to be uploaded on this Google form will get to the owner of this email address here. So now this email address right here is the owner of this Google form. This victor142@gmail.com. So whatever receipt that's going to be uploaded on this platform will be shown to will be going directly to the email address right here. So I'll be getting it as an email notification that the receipt has been uploaded using the Google form. So if I click on continue, whatever response or receipt is going to be uploaded here. So you see file upload. So after the payment has been done, they're going to screenshot the receipt and then send the receipt of payment for their consultation using this. So it's quite simple, right? Then for this, allow only specific type of files. So I'm not going to enable this. If I enable this, you're going to see different types of files. You have documents, you have spreadsheets, you have PDF. So depending on the kind of file you want to upload. So if you have a different kind of question, for example, maybe you're in the entertainment industry, or maybe you're scheduling for a video editor in your organization or your company, and you want them to submit a video that maybe you sent them to use as a test video for before you hire them. So this can also be a video upload file. You can click on the video upload file, PDF, image, audio, whatever thing you want to. But for this is just basically for documents. So I'm not going to enable anything, and it automatically knows that this is a document that's supposed to be uploaded, right? Or maybe let's just click on document just to make things on point. So these are the only type of documents. But if I do not enable this, any type of document can be uploaded on this platform, whether a video, whether an audio, but basically anybody who's making payments via any bank will know that this is a document that's going to be uploaded. But again, let's just enable this. Let's just enable this. So that's that. Then you can see the maximum number of files. Of course, it's just one receipt, and the maximum file size. So you can see 100 MB, 1 gig, 10 gigabytes. So maximum is 10 gigabytes. Of course, a receipt wouldn't take more than how many kilobytes. So the last information or question we're going to add here is schedule your consultation date. So click on the plus icon to add and schedule your consultation date. So over here, you can see that it has given us a date answer for this question. So for example, if you want to click on it, you can click on date, right? You can click on the date for your consultation. So anybody who is feeling, once they click here, it's going to bring up a calendar for you to schedule your dates for the consultation. So this is basically, then we make this required, open this up. It's very, very important. You do this, you make this also required. It's very, very important you do this. So, okay, this is also required also. So very, very important you do this so as to get every information possible you can get from your clients or people who want to go for your consultation session. So that's basically it. That's basically it. So these other icons here, I'm going to treat them in the next video section. So if you want me to talk about these other icons here by the side of the Google form, please comment in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a video about that. So that's basically how to create a Google form, a simple Google form for your business. So I'm going to hit the publish icon and let's see how this is going to show to our viewers or our clients. So you can see this responder here. It says share the Google form with people with access, editors review, just leave this way it's supposed to be. You don't have to change anything. So remember the the email address here, the email here is going to be the email that's going to receive every of the response from this Google form. So they've given us a link here. So let's copy it and see how this is going to look like. So let's head onto the fresh page, paste this link here, and click OK. So you can see how the Google form is looking like. Paradise Edu Farm consultation, schedule a consultation with us today. So you can see, you can actually switch your email address here. Maybe I can switch to an email address, to this email address here to use for the Google form. So you can see all of the information we imputed: email, full name, name of your farm establishment, where is your farm located, would you like a video consultation? Yes. So you can just see this. Would you like an audio consultation? No. So payment, you just upload your payment receipts, schedule your date. So if I click here, I can schedule any date, maybe like the 13th of November 2025, and at the end I'm going to submit the form. So this is basically how to create your Google form. Please let me know anything I'm missing out or you want me to create. I can actually go back and make a separate video for it. So that's basically how to create a Google form using forms.google.com. Thank you. Please click on the subscribe button and also share this video and also like this video.